What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So taking a quick look at Verasity here, we can see obviously zooming out, absolutely amazing chart. Pretty clear that we've got that cup and handle formation that we are seeing. You know, we're taking the stairs up now. Basically starting to run away with things, really, aren't we? Currently trading at around 8 cents currently right now. Very, very strong looking chart indeed. Obviously, you can see we've got a bit of a macro trend going on here that we could argue we're on the way up, aren't we? Basically, things overall looking very, very strong indeed from what we can tell. I mean, we were down here at these like fractions of a cent for a long time, weren't we, for Verasity? Massive pump up to 5.5 cents off the back of the pattern. Huge correction down to 3/4 of a cent in that big correction that we saw in the bottom of July. And then obviously since then, we've had a really, really nice recovery. Basically descending wedge, breakout, little descending wedge in September. We come up, make a new all-time high at 6.7 cents. We obviously coil up for basically a week and a bit from what we can tell here. We come up to a new all-time high at 8.5 cents. Little bit of a correction after having that flash crash that we saw for Bitcoin a few days ago. We've pumped all the way back up to the all-time high again. And we're currently just, jamming up here near these all-time highs. You can see here on the hourly time frame. We come up. Obviously, we've got bearish divergences here from what we can tell. We have that correction. We come down. We basically bounce perfectly on that previous swing high as support. Really, really bullish in our opinion. We come all the way back up to the all-time high at 8.5 cents, having another little bit of a rollover here, but we're nowhere near as overextended as we were before. And in my opinion, we're probably going to see ourselves maybe have a bit of a retracement, maybe back down to this area here at around 7.2, 7.5 cents at the deepest, and then obviously get that rally and probably go higher. Considering that we are seeing basically, a double top here, but in terms of our RSI, we are essentially, getting back down to fair value now, ready for another push in our opinion. There's not really any bearish divergences here because obviously this is pretty much a flat top, but with less momentum on this second push, showing that less RSI strength on this second push, meaning that basically what we're looking at here is potentially, we're going to see a more shallow retracement and then continuation for another all-time high. So overall, Verasity looking really strong in my opinion. You can see here as well, in terms of our momentum on our histogram, the momentum to the upside is actually increasing in terms of strength. So we could be seeing ourselves have a little bit of a shallower retracement like this and then go higher, back test the all-time high and then have a bit more continuation. So overall, we'd say Verasity looking really strong. I mean, this chart is just taking the stairs up constantly, isn't it? You can see here, stairs, 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 come back down, find support, come up again, stairs, consolidate into the apex. Stairs again, come back down, perfectly retest the previous all-time high, retest the all-time high again, another retracement, and then we're probably heading up towards that new all-time high target that we're looking for around 10 cents, which is that 127 extension we've been talking about a lot. So we really, really think that's a strong, strong target right now at 10 cents at the 127 extension. Probably going to be a decent amount of resistance there as well, but if we start to cross that and we start heading up for our Fibonacci levels with some aplomb, then the next target's 13 cents. The next target after that, 20 cents. And then obviously we've got that 75 cent 227 extension target, which we could be looking at seeing sooner rather than later if we look how good Verasity is performing. So overall, really not that much to say. Just having a little bit of a retracement today, as we said on the hourly time frame. You can see here, potentially that double top like this. But we do think, considering that, we're not too overextended at all on the RSI, we could be looking at finding support on these EMAs, maybe on the hourly, and then having that bounce. And I think one more retest of this all-time high area, we'll probably see ourselves moving to the upside. So short-term price predictions, if we roll over, as we said, we could see ourselves retesting this 7-cent area somewhere here, maybe down towards that 6.5 cent area of the previous all-time high, and then getting that bounce to the upside. But we do think, you know, if we're heading up, we're heading to that 10-cent level. 127 extension, very strong target. And as we've always said, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is probably going to be happening pretty damn soon in our estimation, considering the market cap is still so low. Obviously, big fundamental news on the way, potential patterns, a lot of, you know, when Binance as well. So basically, things looking good. That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.